intro. Sino yun? Ikaw intro. Nasarap ka din.
Jam, paper bag.
Ayan na lang.
Ba't ako? Si Jam na lang.
Mas maayos ka eh. Oh, ikaw na dyan.
Asan yung kanin? Teka
Let's
lang.
go.
Ayan.
Ano kanin?
Kasi walang kanin.
Order ko kanina.
Wala.
Oh, may ketchup ba?
Oo, may ketchup pero walang
Hindi
kanin.
ka nakakatawa. Alam mo, Hilary, tigilan mo yan. Hindi ka nakakatawa.
Alam mo, mas nakakatawa to.
Pag may kanin?
Mas nakakatawa pag may kanin.
Mas nakakatawa pag may kanin!
Hi everyone, we're Mas Nakakatawa Pag May Kanin and I'm Keith.
I'm Jam.
I'm Ayon, the cutest among the rest.
I'm Hilary.
I'm Wine.
And we're Mas Nakakatawa Pag
May kanin!
Okay, so today we're going to talk about toxic Filipino culture
Yes, we're going to talk about toxic Filipino cultures.
and our opinions.
Okay. May take ako dyan. Diba, I just had my birthday. Like, a few weeks ago. Last month. And, nakalagay sa invitation, we have to start at 6. 6, right? 6 sharp. But, we started na talaga ng 7. So, you know how we hate it kapag may mga events na ina-anticipate na talaga natin.
Yeah, Filipino time.
Nalilate. Yeah, but my dad's an example of what a Filipino time is. Kasi he's the only person that we were waiting for in order for the event to start. Like, of course, you have to walk with the, he's my dad, diba? You have to walk with the celebrant.
Yeah.
It's a tradition na din kasi every 18th birthday for your dad to walk you, blah, blah, blah. And then, ayun, we didn't start at 6 because he was late.
You know what I hate about Filipino time? Someone always needs to compromise just because of other people's delays. Yung mga
exactly,
tinatawag natin pa-importante.
Yeah.
Who can relate? Who can relate?
Me.
Me.
You're always late eh.
Yeah, I'm so sorry, guys.
People use
Sorry.
Filipino, the exact phrase Filipino
Filipino
time
as an excuse.
Yeah.
Sorry, late ako. Filipino time. Alam mo.
But that doesn't justify their actions.
Why were you late last week?
Oh, that doesn't justify me.
But for you though, they always use that as an excuse to get away sa pagka-late nila, which tama.
For real, bro.
Why were you late kanina?
Traffic. I left my house earlier.
Filipino
Then
time is not actually a valid excuse pagdating sa kanya. Kasi, let's say, you're expecting heavy traffic this day. And then
You have to adjust.
Yes, you have
Yeah.
to adjust your
You have to
time.
leave earlier. than
Especially
you
if it's
expected.
already your routine.
Especially we're living in the Philippines where traffic is very prominent.
Yeah.
So you need to leave earlier.
Yeah, I left an hour before
Wait,
the EA.
you're late kanina rin ah.
I pooped like 5 times before
Yeah.
I left.
We're eating, man.
Yes.
I'm not using the traffic as an excuse naman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But she's using her poop as an excuse.
Sorry,
Filipino
nature
poop.
calls. Miss Princess.
Talking about Wine's birthday.
It reminds me of family gathering.
Yes, family gatherings.
Yeah, this is why family gatherings.
You know what I love about family gatherings? You can actually see a lot of toxic Filipino cultures on family gatherings.
Different
Family
one.
gatherings, aka plastikan.
Yes.
Different one.
You know, one
Fire
time,
back. Para
I think it was about a month ago, and that was the first time I saw my relatives kasi they live far from us. They live in the province.
Yeah.
And the first statement, the first dialogue I heard from my tita was, "Tumaba ka." Parang I'm not ashamed of myself naman kasi I love myself.
Yeah.
I know how to accept myself. But the thing is,
It's not a body shame.
I'm thinking if it is really important or if it is really necessary to point out someone's features. Lalo na kung ngayon lang kayo nagkita, di ba? Parang,
They always point out something that you can change within minutes.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah. They need to know the 5 seconds rule.
yeah.
Oh, what's the 5 second rule?
You can if you can fix it at 5 seconds, you don't have to point it out.
Yeah.
Boom!
It's quite ironic din kasi na they're talking about your body. No offense, but kapag titignan mo rin naman sila, their bodies also, parang it's, parang they're
pero we didn't point that
yeah, they're
out.
projecting their insecurities
Yeah.
towards you. Which,
What a boomer. Yeah. What a boomer.
And what I hate the most about that is, sa harap ng maraming tao.
Yeah.
So you're humiliated talaga.
Yes.
Like, what's the point of that?
Kung pagkain mo, sabihin, you're going
Ganyan
to get
kadami.
that
second
much.
plate,
I mean, I just want to eat. I haven't eat the whole day.
Kaya pala you got that
Why do you
big
care,
kasi
diba?
you're getting so many.
tsaka it's there for you to eat. So why would you?
They always compare you to like, their own child. Like, tignan mo si yung anak ko, hindi naman siya ganyan. Pero bakit ikaw ganyan ka?
Ano rin sa damit din? The way you express yourself through your clothes. They have a say to that. Lalo na if
When you were revealing.
revealing clothes, expose skin.
Portion of your skin.
Yeah.
May tala sila ng portion ng skin mo. They would say, oh, you're so malandi.
I mean, they grew up on a different generation kasi they don't
They expect
understand
us to-
generational gaps.
Yeah.
They expect us to act the same as them.
And,
The world is evolving, bro. The world is evolving.
like, let's say na medyo mas angat ka sa kanila. Then, medyo, like, alam mo sa sarili mo na you're not on the same level. And like, they compare their experiences to your experiences.
Yeah.
Parang, you're spoiled na ganito, ganyan. Ganon.
You're not like before.
So talking about levels, what are your thoughts about crab mentality?
Oh.
Crab mentality is very prominent on Filipinos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, I was reading about it online and it is one of the toxic Filipino cultures we have. What can you say about that? Feeling your
Actually,
smile.
my take on that, it's parang, yeah, it's very toxic nga kung, yeah, it is toxic mo pero it's very toxic talaga na until now, ganyan pa rin yung thinking ng like ng older generations natin na why can't they just be happy for those na
Younger generation na.
for younger generation na
Na-experience.
Yeah.
Hilahan pa baba.
yeah, yung
Like,
mga
why
nerd,
can't
let's
you
say-
just happy for someone else's success?
Yeah, for those who experience the success. Now, why would you have to bring them down
Yeah.
just for your satisfaction?
Yeah.
They aim for superiority.
Yeah.
Just so,
You know, this isn't related to family gatherings, but way back in junior high, I'm not bragging or anything, pero I was the top one among the rest.
Galing no,
I thought among the best.
Yes, among the rest. And I had this one classmate. Actually, it's not him, I think. It was his mother. It was his mother's fault. Kasi,
Oh, what a boomer.
you know the person, but let's just not talk about it.
Yeah.
Friends na naman kami ngayon.
Okay.
And kapag kasi may exams kunyari or quizzes, he will always approach me and compare his score to mine. And me growing up, I thought it was normal kasi sa mga students naman nagko-compare ng mga scores,
Yeah,
diba?
yeah.
But later on, I realized na he wasn't just comparing. He wants to see me fail. Gusto niya, kasi kapag mas mababa ako sa kanya, I can see his satisfaction.
Parang he
Yeah.
wants the satisfaction. Oh, 24 lang siya.
Yeah.
I'm
Yes,
26.
yes.
you can't identify it as academic rivals because he wants you to
fail.
He wants to see
Yeah.
your downfall
Yeah.
Yes.
in your studies.
And that's crab mentality in school.
Yeah.
Hilahan pababa
Yeah.
talaga, ano.
Diba,
Alright.
like, why can't we just, uplift each other?
Yeah, exactly. What about you? What's your take on that?
Wait, I have to tell you.
Ah,
Okay. I have this one classmate named Andre.
Ooh.
And like,
Your name dropping.
yeah, we were classmates in 10th grade. And like, yun, lagi siyang, what's your score here? Ganto, ganyan. Ako kasi ganito, parang mamaliitin pa niya. Conceited siya, basically. Ano?
And like, kunwari, meron kang yun nga, parang rival. And parang there's something na hindi mo maintindihan. And then you run to them. Na, kasi ganito ako before, like, if may hindi ako maintindihan, I run to that person. Do you know, anong gagawin dito? And then once they know na hindi ko gets, sabihin, di ba you're smart? Bakit hindi mo gets? Ako kasi gets ko eh. Parang, they're not going to help you kasi, you know, yun nga, you're rivals.
Yeah.
So parang, pero pag ako naman, I help them. So parang, it's not fair.
Hindi lang naman, like, this topic is not only applicable sa school, pero as
General.
teenagers
Yeah.
and students, doon natin talaga siya nakikita, mostly.
Parang nasa trait na siya ng Filipino.
Pero,
Which is, we should not normalize it.
Which is sad kasi some other people, they experience the same thing almost every day in their
Yeah.
lives.
And,
So
pero ano,
normalized.
since we're talking about school, sa family gathering, hindi may iwasan yung pag-compare ng mga anak in terms of
Yeah.
the institution they're involved in.
Yeah.
Kung saan pumapasok yung anak. Diba? Social economic status, sobrang big deal
Yes.
Yeah.
sa pamilya yan.
Like what I said earlier, yung, let's say, tita mo, meron siyang anak na ka-age mo lang rin. And then, pagka nakita kayo ganun, ang sasabihin sa'yo, ay, sa FEU ka na
Yeah!
nag-aaral.
Yeah!
Yeah, yeah.
Nung ano, I think one was that, basta like a few weeks ago din lang din, my cousins, they would cast me out, or like they would say na, oh, taga FEU alabang ka na yun. Doon ka na.
Oh.
Yung social ka na, ba't ka andito? Parang, like, that's so, anong sense ng,
Yeah.
parang,
It's not your fault naman.
yeah, it's not my
diba?
fault na I study in a good
Yeah.
school. Na my
That you have a
parents
privilege. Diba?
Yes, that's correct. That's
na
the best term.
that my family would my parents wants me to study in a school for my future.
Yeah.
Like it's an investment for my future. So
I had the same experience nung elementary ako. Because I study sa Saint, like Catholic school. And like, yung iba kong pinsan, they study at public.
Yeah.
So parang they blame it against me na I study sa gantong school. Parang, huwag niyo isali sa laro yan, rich kid.
yeah.
And like,
Like, is it my fault? Parang, I don't put them down naman. So
like,
parang,
sabihin nila na, tignan mo tong mga pinsan mo.
Yeah.
Public school naman, pero nasa honors. Ikaw naka-private.
Yeah! Oh my God! I experienced that
they
too,
say it
bro.
na, na-honor lang yan kasi public.
Yeah.
It's easy to,
Oh,
accept.
hindi underestimate public
Yeah.
school.
What's your take?
My take on that, my cousin
Mention your
kasi.
school.
My take on that because
Gawin lang.
so my cousins kasi they grew up from public schools, and my sister and I has always been on a private school. Tapos whenever there's a family gathering, they would pick on us na parang, oh, you study on a private school, ganito ganyan na. So hindi kayo gumagawa ng mga chores, ganon. But that doesn't give the
Go.
but that doesn't give the diba?
Just give them the right to say
Yeah.
something.
Tapos, diba, minsan, may service pa. When you go,
yeah.
Tapos,
And like, ay, sorry, go.
go.
And like, they'll always say na, especially sa mga boomers, like,
Yeah.
they'll say na, ganyan nakalaki allowance mo, dati nung kami,
Oh!
ganito ng allowance namin,
Yeah.
napapagkasya namin.
Pero, di ba, the economic naman kasi that time, hindi naman ganun ka expensive yung mga,
Yeah.
you know, the stuffs.
Yeah.
Guys, just to be clear, we have nothing against boomers naman, but we can kasi we can point out a lot of toxic
Yeah. Even
culture.
Gen Z.
Yeah.
Yes.
Even Gen Z has that.
The problem with the older generation kasi is they have a lot of unevolved thoughts.
Yeah.
Can you
They don't reflect on their self more like we do.
Yeah.
Kasi they can
honest,
admit it themselves na they have these traits.
Like, parang when they notice something, they need to say it. Parang
Yeah.
they don't filter
Like, they
out.
think they're superior because they are the older.
And
They
actually,
experienced it
Yeah.
first.
the root
Daw.
of that is because they keep on comparing their generation on our generation.
Yeah.
They are not taking in account the modernity or the change that happened throughout the years.
Yeah.
Kasi yung panahon nila ng bata sila, hindi na yun yung
Parang they're strong.
na-experience natin yung bata tayo.
They're stuck in their
And then-
generation. Like, they don't adapt to the new generation.
Yeah.
To be honest, I think our mindset, like Gen Z,
Yeah.
our
Haven't you
mindset-
heard about Charles Darwin's theory of evolution? That's very Mary Joyce.
Shout out to Mary Joyce Domitila.
We love her.
We love you.
We love Sir Maki too. We love you, Sir Maki
Di
6.
ba kayo sa Japan yun, sa evolution? Sa UCSP?
No, that's
Earth Science uses.
And Jen Bayo.
Sergio.
Hi,
Back
Sergio.
to what I was saying, kalimutan ko na. Shit, nakalimutan na niya, bawal to.
Galit Sir Maki na ito.
Balik
Hindi na yan masarap kasi may kanin na yan.
English ah, English.
English, okay.
ChatGPT translate this.
Wait, I forgot.
Yeah, they're not evolving, right?
Ayun, I
Ayun.
think our generation, like our mindset is more mature compared to the boomer mindset.
Yeah.
To be honest, like we have our let's say the cancel culture. Their cancel culture is different from our cancel culture.
Yeah.
Like they notice every single thing that's not supposed to be pointed out, and like they base it off of their experiences and generation, and then they will think superior of themselves, and then
Just because they have it hard.
yeah.
But you know what's great also about the generation is that we get informed din kasi.
Yeah.
That's, may magandang tulad yun yung social media because that's where we kind of, get our
Like,
awareness
yeah.
from kahit pa paano.
That we should not normalize
Yeah,
those
we should
things.
normalize those. Parang, we're learning.
Yeah.
We're learning.
And
And
we're
exactly, we're learning from them.
We're
Yeah.
learning from their mistakes.
They're not learning
from us. Oh, that's a good one, bro.
Okay. So, let's go to gender stereotypes. Ayan.
That's a hot take, bro.
Go.
Yung kay diba? What about when it comes to ayan, driving.
Parang,
Ayan, mga
you know
female
when-
drivers.
Yeah.
Kasi, example is yung tito ko. Whenever we drive, parang, yung nasa harap na driver, tapos mabagal siya, he would always say na, baka kasi babae to.
Oh, I get so pissed off with that.
Yeah.
Parang mag-park, babae to.
Side eye.
Side eye. Criminal side eye.
Bombastic.
Then he would always, peek. Gaganon siya. Sabihin, babae nga. Parang,
Kasi when we talk about gender, kasi the normalized topic is LGBT, di ba?
Yeah.
Kapag sinabi kasi nating equality, it also applies to
Normal.
babae and lalaki.
No, not normal.
Not normal.
I mean, what? Cancel culture. Not normal, sorry. What word is that? What word is that? Yeah, straight people. Yeah, straight people. Okay, see.
You.
Yeah. I'm horizontal.
The gender they grew up with.
Yeah.
The biological gender.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yan na lang.
That's a great term, bro. Thanks for saving me from the cancel culture.
Okay.
Go.
you were saying,
What were you saying?
Wala akong sinasabi.
Gender stereotypes. Okay, gender stereotypes. Ano mga stereotypes sa babae?
like,
Oh.
they have,
The expectation of you, like, it's been a hot topic for now, but yung expectations ng husbands sa'yo na
Oh, yeah.
stay in the kitchen.
Yeah.
You cook, you clean.
Like, you want
Stay at home.
I work, you clean.
yeah.
Sa ano rin, yeah, in school din, di ba? Teachers usually, na yung pag babae yung gumagawa, mas okay
Yeah.
than
Yeah.
girls. Yeah, like, if yung boys yung what do you call that? Nagloko, they don't mind it that much kasi, di ba say,
Boy,
parang lalaki kasi yan
boys will be
eh.
boys.
Parang sobrang makaluma na nasasabi. It was, Spanish colonization era na powerless sa
What year?
mga babae.
Yeah.
On March 16, 15, 20. We're way past that.
Oh, yeah.
It's almost a decade.
Yeah.
Di ba? Parang,
Kaya, hindi nag-
We can, the election.
Yeah, election.
Di ba? The election.
Lenny, BBM, Kamala,
Yeah,
Eto,
they have
I don't know if it fits sa gender stereotypes, but you know those times in school na pag when you're the quiet type and you're matino,
Yeah.
itatabi ka nila sa yung sobrang ingay, and then the teachers would expect you to parang saway them.
Yeah.
Parang to make them matino in some ways. Parang ganun. Have you experienced it?
Yeah.
Yung parang papatabihin ka nila sa tahimik.
No,
Ay, sa
maingay.
maingay. Oo.
No, I'm the maingay.
No, but in some instances lang. Yung ganun.
Yeah.
yan guys, magagalit na sa Sir Mac. We have 3 minutes left. May listahan po kasi kami dito ng mga
meron kaming last
Yes.
pass.
Yes.
Utang na loob.
It's utang na loob.
Utang na loob.
Let's
Wala
make
kang
that
utang
quick.
na loob, ah.
Ikaw, wala kang utang na loob!
Wala kang utang na loob!
May utang ka pa sa akin 50.
Kayo ka!
Burger ng tatay ko.
Diyos ko pa!
So, talking about money sa utang na loob.
Oh.
Di ba yung mga, like, yung,
Wait, ban
sa
pinaaral?
family, yeah.
Pinaaral
Pinaaral.
ko nila.
Pinaaral ka nila.
Yung kay Carlos Yulo.
Oh!
Mom niya.
Ganun.
Di ba
Here's the
pinaaral?
challenge. 2 minutes to talk about that and we end this one.
Yo, yeah, okay.
Go.
Okay. The mother of Carlos Yulo, di ba? She had so many
Rants.
rants about her children, and she expect her children to
Pay her back.
pay her back just because she feed them, she
Nurtured them.
yes, she nurtured them, but that's her responsibility. And
Yes, as a parent, it's your responsibility to...
to make your children's life better.
Yes.
And comfortable.
They brought you
For
to
us to
this
be
world
honest,
without your
like-
knowledge.
Being a child,
Pero we know naman, di ba, na talagang we have responsibility for our parents.
it's
Yeah.
not a
Pero it's-
responsibility talaga. It's
like
a will.
giving back.
A will.
A want.
Here's my take about that. If you let your children grow up that way, in a
Nahulog yung
Yung
mic.
mic.
Wait ka lang.
in a very nurtured way, parang sila na yung mismo magkukusa na
Yeah.
To be
Ano eh,
honest,
yeah.
like, it depends on the upbringing of the child.
Yes.
How they are treated and
And like how you raise
like
them.
the more
Basically, you're nurturing
the
them.
more you parang the more na inaano mo yung anak mo na to provide something on you, the more they will not they will not provide.
magre-rebelde.
Yeah.
Yeah. Malala yung loob nila sa'yo.
Yeah.
lalo na yung mga, like, yung mga nanay na like, let's say you got your first
Salary. Yeah.
ganun. Tapos hindi nila tatanggapin. Ganon yung type na mas willing ka pang magbigay.
Oo.
Kasi alam nilang walang utang.
1 minute.
1 minute.
Sir Baki, wait.
No, actually, this talk is very fun kasi we get to discuss yung mga
Yeah.
cultures na sa atin mismo nagmumula.
And I think so we experience as well. Firsthand.
I think we hope not to pass it on.
The next generation.
I'm going to take
Because we're
good care
not
of my
boomers.
child.
Parsley. Paisley. Paisley, if you're watching this, your mom is going to take good care of you.
20 seconds left, let's do our outro.
Okay.
And this
So,
Bye, guys!
wala pa rin kaming kanin, pero nakakatawa naman. Mas nakakatawa pag may kanin. I'm Keith.
I'm Jan.
I'm Ion.
I'm Hillary.
I'm Wine.
And we're nakakatawa.
Pag may kanin!
Sakto.
Bye!